In this section, we're going to look at this critical concept of crawling and indexing. And this section consists of a couple different parts. The main takeaway, though, is we've looked at individual pages, like what does a search engine result page look like? What are different types of search intent? Answering those kinds of questions. And now we want to dig into how do pages actually end up where they can be displayed in search engine result pages. Can all pages be, or do they have to have some kind of attribute? And we're going to cover that. So we'll answer this question, how do pages show up in search results? Then we'll dig into what is a cached page. So for those pages that actually are part of a search engine index, what can we know about them? We'll take a look at that concept, cached pages. And then we'll answer this critical question, which is, how do we control what the search engines actually see on our site? Are there relevant things we can do to either block the crawler or that might be inadvertently blocking the crawler from pages that are important to us? So we're going to say, how do we control the crawler? And we're going to look at this concept called robots.txt.